in English proper, a determiner is the word that you put right before the noun so that it gives clarity to the noun. And within the parameters of this passage, the composer provides theological clarity by inserting the two determiners, this and ours. It's right there in the text. He says this and I can't just say God. I got to say this and not this God as opposed to that God. Our God as opposed to their God. Let me say that again. It's right. Do you all see it? He doesn't just say God, but before God, he says this. This God. Not that God. And our God as opposed to their God. This God is our God.